President Mnangagwa's term extension, amplified in MASH West, the 19th of August 2025, by Political Reporter. The ZANU-PF leadership in Mashonaland West has strongly endorsed a resolution from the ruling party's 21st National People's Conference, backing President Emmerson Mnangagwa to remain in office until 2030. The endorsement was reaffirmed during a Provincial Coordinating Committee, PCC, meeting held in Chinhoy, where preparations for the upcoming 2025 National People's Conference in Mutare were also discussed. The gathering further introduced the province's new administrator, CDE Albert M.H. Langa, who replaces CDE Fanny Chikamba following her retirement earlier this year. Addressing members, ZANU-PF Secretary for Health Dr. Douglas Mamashora emphasized the province's commitment to the resolution, saying, as a province, we are solidly behind 2024 Conference Resolution No. 1, advocating for President Mnangagwa to remain in power until 2030. His remarks were greeted with loud applause from party members. Echoing his sentiments, Politburo member and Justice Minister CDE ZVAITWA urged unity within the party while warning against the misuse of social media. We currently face a situation where certain individuals misuse social media platforms to launch attacks on fellow members. As a party, we have instituted a social media policy, and at the governmental level, the Cyber and Data Protection Act is in effect, he said, cautioning administrators of online groups against allowing offensive content. Provincial Chairperson CDE Mary M. Liswichikoka highlighted the need to boost urban membership, noting that ongoing verification exercises revealed significant gaps. She also announced that the province had secured 6 cattle and launched a fundraising campaign to raise $50,000 towards the national conference. In another development, former Mines Minister and ZANU-PF Central Committee member CDE Walter Chidhakwa, who was expelled in 2017, has been readmitted into the party. The decision was confirmed by CDE M. Liswichikoka, who told the meeting that the readmission had been approved by the party headquarters. Welcoming the development, Saniati DCC Chairperson CDE Langton Mabhanga said, "Our president speaks of unity and giving second chances. We will be glad to have him back into the party." His remarks drew loud cheers from the gathered members. The Mashonaland West leadership is expected to forward its resolution to the party's national headquarters, further strengthening calls for President Mnangagwa's extended tenure.